telling you is good, son. You gonna be stupid straight. Remember I told you that shit, nigga? Record it. This nigga about to be rich as fuck. Yo, son, you about to be straight. I seen it, nigga. Don't let nobody talk to you crazy. Yo, affirm. No, listen to me. Sa. Saneter, is this Saneter? Sa, listen to me. Sa, I know this. Listen. Sa, I'm dead ass serious, son. Listen to me, son. You about to be filthy rich, and you know when you feel it inside of your dogs. I see your future, nigga. Nigga, you big time shit. Don't let nobody disrespect you, yo.
Yes, sir, Nature. I feel you.
Oh my God.
Okay, you're disrespecting him right now.
Nobody disrespecting.
You're disrespecting him right now. Can we do the interview? You're disrespecting him.
Yo,
why does he see how he talks?
Please listen to me, man. Don't let nobody disrespect you, sir.
You're disrespecting him.
If you do, you gonna look like a bitch.
Hey, come on, man. Damn, I'm thinking we're gonna get a good interview. He already going crazy right now.
Yeah.
Just let me rock this. Now. Just be cool. We got him.
I'll be quiet,
he's wilding. He's wilding. We're gonna let him get it all out. All right, come on, Nature Boy. Let's go, brother. We did this last week, bro. Let's go, brother. Come on, man.
Bring it to me. Calm down. I am good. I can't play with this. I can't. I know what they're thinking and it's making me laugh, but it's serious, man. It's just serious, man. Black men need to breastfeed. Black men need to breastfeed. That's all I was doing that for, to let y'all know. I breastfeed. That's how I healed myself. Breast milk, nigga. They tell you about all these herbs, all this shit. Nigga, breast milk. You gonna heal all your genetics, nigga. Breast milk the whole time. We drinking almond milk. We need to be drinking human milk. That's the...
All right, you lost connection, brother. Let's get it back.
And marijuana. The fuck? Breast milk, marijuana, water, sleep. That's all you need. You can become God. I swear to God. Breast milk, nigga. I breastfeed. Dead ass. If you can't get breast milk.
We lost the connection on YouTube. Now we're back. We back now.
Okay, all right. So my brother Nature Boy, let's get right to it, man.
Saneter, you did hear me though, right?
I heard you, brother. Let's move past that. Let's get this thing going, man. You just opened up for a new question right now.